Hello friends, you are watching C programming tutorial classes brought to you by ankpro training. So friends, in this class we'll be learning the C programming practically. So topics for this class are: first we'll understand the basic structure of a C program and how to install a C compiler, and we'll write our first C program. Okay. First we'll understand the basic structure of C program, that means how to write a program and what is a C program going to consist of. So first comes the comment lines. Comment lines are just comments, they are non-executable lines, but they are programmer readable explanations. Okay, they provide the documentation for the program. They are added with the purpose of making the source code easier for the people to understand. And we normally put the comments between those special symbols, that is anything in between this forward slash asterisk and asterisk forward slash is regarded as the comment. And these comment lines can be put anywhere. Okay, they can be placed anywhere in the program, I mean after any statement, but not in the middle of any word or token. And the first section of executable C program is the preprocessor commands, or you can call them as preprocessor directives. And they normally start with the hash symbol or pound symbol. They contain the useful library functions for your program. And the next statement is main with a pair of empty parentheses. This is the start of main function, that is a function having some code which is called as main function. Main function is very important in a C program. It is core of a program. Main function is the entry point of all C programs. This is the only function that all the C programs must have, and we write the code or the instructions within the pair of those curly braces. If our program needs more and more operations, we are going to write our own functions with whatever name we want. And inside the main function, our actual code resides. In the declaration part, we're going to declare the variables, arrays, strings, structures that we are going to use in the program, and other executable statements like input and output statements, and expressions for our special operations. Expressions may be mathematical, logical, or any other expressions. Don't worry, just know the basic structure. We'll definitely learn all these in our later classes. And you can have user defined functions after the main functions. So user defined functions are normally for other operations, other individual operations. Okay, we'll all learn in the later classes. So now let us see a simple C program. So this is a simple C program. It's going to print just a message which says welcome to programming in C. Can you see the line welcome to programming in C inside the printf a function? Printf is a function which prints text on the screen. Okay, so at the top we have the comment line telling program to print a line. That means you are giving information, you are commenting about the program. Okay, what this program is going to do or what particular lines are, and you can comment about the code. Okay, and these two statements starting with hash symbols are called preprocessor commands. Okay, normally preprocessor commands start with the symbol hash and the keyword include. Okay, hash include is common statements in all C programs. That is to include two header files here. These two statements going to link to the two header files, that is stdio.h is one file. Stdio stands for standard input output. So that is the file containing the functions, containing the C library functions which perform the standard input and output operations for our program. And another header file is called as con.io, that's for console.io, is also a header file. It is stored in the C standard library, which contains the instructions for the console operations that are going to work on the console window. Okay, so start of main function. So void main of is the starting point of the main function. It is the actual, this is where the actual execution starts. Okay, so and in this function, in the main function, we have just two statements. one is printf statement that is going to print the message on the output screen, and another one is get ch with empty pair of parenthesis. So get ch, it's also a function that is going to bring the console window and holds the console window until you type a character to get out of the output screen. Okay, so these are just two statements. This is a very simple basic C program that is going to print a single statement on the screen. Okay, so let us try this in the compiler. First we'll download the C compiler and then we'll type the program. So open your browser and search for Turbo C. So Turbo C, if you are using a Windows 10 operating system, search for Turbo C for Windows 10 or Windows 7, whatever the operating system you have. So hit enter, and this is the link. Okay, the first link from the website turboc.codeplex.com. Just click on this link. So this is where you will get the Turbo C compiler. Okay, so don't worry, this software will work on all operating systems, Windows 7, 8, 8.1 and Windows 10, both 32 and 64-bit operating systems. So just click on this download link, you will get the compiler downloaded. So this is just a small file of about 6.7 MB. So I'm not going to download it because I already downloaded one. So I'm going to open that. Okay, after your download completes, you will get a zip file which contains this folder, Turbo C++ 3.2. Just open this folder and click on this Turbo C++ 3.2 Windows installer file. So just double click on this and just go on clicking the next button and you will get everything ready for your computer. So I'm not going to do that because I already installed one. So after your installation completes, you will get this icon on your desktop, Turbo C++. Just double click on it to start Turbo C++ from here. So this is how the window looks when you open the editor for the first time. So if it is blank, if it is not showing the blue screen, just go on the file menu and hit the new command. Okay, you will get the blue screen actual editor window. So now we are going to start writing our first program, so which is going to print a message on the screen. So I'll start with the comment line. So I told you comment lines starts with this symbol /**. Now start commenting on the program. So this is a simple C program to print a message, right? So this is a simple comment as well. So I have commented, I've put just a single comment. Now I'll start our actual executable code. Okay, so a program starts with the preprocessor command. So hash, use the hash symbol, hash, and the word include, #include, open the angle bracket, left angle bracket, and type the header file standard stdio.h and close the bracket. Now add one more statement, #include conio.h, close the bracket. So these are the fundamental header files that we need for any simplest program. Okay, so now the void main comes here. So whatever we write within these curly brackets or flower brackets is actual executable code that is going to produce the output. Okay, so void main is the starting entry point of a program. Actually, we are going to write a function which is going to be called as main function. Main function means whatever we write inside this block. Okay, inside this curly brackets. So this is going to be called as the main function because every program must have this main function. Okay, after this you can have any user defined your own functions like void add, functions like this which is going to add the integers or numbers or any operations like this. But we're not doing all that. We are just writing a simple program, a program consisting of just the main function. Okay, so what is the return type of this main function? Just understand that what is the return type of the function which is going to return nothing. Okay, so this main function is going to return nothing. It is not returning any value to the operating system after execution. Why? Because operating system is the one who is going to call this function, call this call our program when we execute it. Okay, so it has to, every main function has to return something to the operating system. But in this context, this program is not going to return anything to the operating system. So to indicate that, we are using void. Okay, void tells the compiler that this main function is returning nothing. It's not going to return anything to the main function. Okay, so now to print a message on the output screen, I'll use the printing statement, which is normally starts with printf. Okay, so printf is a function which prints the text on the screen. Just understand the format of printf. Like it starts with the word printf and open a bracket and open the double quotes, close the double quotes and close the bracket and put a semicolon. So this is the format of printf function. Whatever we write inside the double quotes is going to be printed as it is on the output screen. Okay, it is treated as a string. Okay, whatever we write inside the double quotes, it is going to be printed as it is on the output window. Okay, so let us say welcome to C programming. Okay, so this is just a simple statement, welcome to C programming, and to get the output window I'm using the get ch function. Okay, so this is just simple program which is going to print a message on the screen. Okay, first compile this program. Compilation means converting this program into the machine code, and let us check if there are any errors or not. Compilation will tell you if there are any errors. So click on this compile menu and click on the compile command. So here it is saying 0 errors and 0 warnings. That means we have succeeded. Success. So success is the message here. So press any key. So now run the program. So make sure that before running your program, you compiled your program and you got 0 errors. Okay. So now actually we are running the program. So go to run menu and click on this run command, or use the control F9 shortcut key. So now we have got the message what we wanted. Welcome to C programming. So that is the message what we have expected. So we have successfully run our program, but I will add one more statement here. clrscr with the empty pair of brackets. So this is a function which is going to clear the screen after every execution. I'll show you without this function what happens if you execute the same program twice or any number of times. So run. Can you see still the previous output is visible here? We have got two messages, welcome to C program, welcome to C program. The second part, the second sentence, welcome to C programming, is the current output, but we have got the earlier output as well here. That means our screen has not cleared before the execution. To get our screen cleared after every execution, we're going to add this function clrscr. So that means clear screen. clrscr stands for clear screen. This is the name. clrscr is the function name. So how to identify a function with the empty pair of brackets? So this is the function. So now go and run the program, control F9. So can you see the output? Only the current output, nothing else, right? Nothing, no C drive, no colon, nothing, right? So we have got the desired output. If I want one more statement, I'm going to add another printf function. So remember the format of printf. So this is the format of printf. Whatever you write between the double quotes is going to be printed on the screen. Okay. Hope you all are doing well. So let's run control F9. Yeah, welcome to C programming. Hope you all doing well. But we have got both the statements present in the single line, so I don't want them to be in the single line, in the same line. So how to get these two statements in two different lines? For that we have a special character, that is /n, which we normally at the end of a printing statement. Welcome to C programming /n. So /n serves as a new line character. So let us check out that. So can you see the difference? Welcome to C programming is in the first line, and hope you are doing well. The statement is in second line. That means the slash n brings the next statement in the next line, in the next new line. So that is what slash n does. It will add a line break. So it acts as a line break, slash n. If I add one more slash n, I'll get two line breaks. Can you see the difference? Two line breaks are here. So that is how slash n works. Actually, you can use slash n anywhere between these double quotes. If I use slash n here, and one more slash n here, so let's see what happens. So can you see the difference? Welcome to C is in the first line, programming is in the second line, and the third statement is in the third line. So the slash n, I have put the slash n here, so that means so slash n is breaking, is putting a line break here. So that is why programming got down. So it went down a line. So another slash n here, so it brings the next statement to the next new line. So this is how slash n works. If you want to add this sentence in the same statement, you can do that by using the slash n. So I will delete this sentence. Okay, so I'll add the same sentence here. And slash n, no need slash n at the end, right? Because we are not having anything after this. So can you see the difference? I merged the both sentences, both statements in a single printf statement having a slash n in the middle. So let's run this, control F9. So we have got the same output, right? Just because of this slash n, right? So you can use slash n anywhere between the double quotes. So that will serve as a that will serve as a line break character. So this is a simple message. Today we have learned to print two statements, how to use the slash n character. So just try out this program, and so don't forget to save this file. How to save this file? Just click on the file menu and select the save option, or use the F2 command. So this is the path. Can you see? Save file as in this directory, C directory, turbo C folder, bin. In that bin folder, bin is having the file. So whatever the name we give here is going to be the file name. So I will give as hello.c, and don't forget the .c extension at the end of the file name. So hello.c will be my file name, which is going to be in the bin folder. In turn, bin is going to be in the turbo C folder, which is in C directory. So let us save this. Just say OK. So can you see the file name has happened here? So I'll close this window and I'll show you where this file exactly going to be stored. So open your C drive. Here open this turbo C3 directory. Here search for the bin directory, bin folder. Here, so hello.c, where is that file? So here it is, hello.c, which we just did. Just right click on it, open with notepad. So this is what we have done in the program, right? Well friends, that's it for the class. Subscribe to our channel on YouTube, like our page on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and join our group on LinkedIn. Thank you.